if you ever want to become really, really good at sales, if you want to be a master at selling, you have to get your customers and you have to get the people that you are looking to sell to trust you. Because there is one simple, very, very simple rule when it comes to sales. People don't buy from the people they don't trust. So if you want to get someone to buy from you, you have to get them to trust you. And this is important because when it comes to sales, and that could be you selling over the phone, that could you be selling face to face, that could be any sort of sales, and that could even be emails or making a video, marketing, in anything. When you are selling, the person who is watching you, listening to you, or reading an email, they have to trust you. Which is why in sales, by the way, we say that the person who is looking to buy from you has to touch base with you a couple of times, a few times before they actually look to buy. So it's very, very rare that you make a sale instantly on the first call. See, in the real world, in actual reality, if people don't trust you, they won't buy from you. It's just as simple as that. And so the quicker you can get people to trust you, and that doesn't mean in a negative way. That actually means by building rapport, getting your personality across and coming across in a way where people can be like, you know what, this guy seems genuine. This guy seems actually like he's trying to help us, and this product and service or whatever it is you're looking to sell is actually of value to the customer. Now, a sale like this may have worked. It may have worked 15, 20 years ago, but unfortunately for you and I, maybe unfortunately, people have understood that they don't want to be sold to. And once people understand they don't want to be sold to, you have to sell to people without them realizing they're being sold to. We're going to go into how you do that. And the first place you start with getting people to trust you is by speaking to them and coming across them over and over again. In fact, in sales, in cold calling, in building relationship over the phone, we say that a client is likely to buy from you on their 7th call. That is the most likely time someone is going to actually buy from you. But you know what the crazy thing is? Most people, in fact, 9 out of 10 people in sales, they will never speak to the person the 7th time. So let's give the example of cold calling. Let's give the example of calling someone on the phone. When you call someone on the phone, the first time, you're basically pitching to them exactly what you do and the value that you can provide to them. And you have to do that very, very quickly. And when I say very quickly, you have to do that in 7-8 seconds at most. Now, when you do that, they don't know you, they don't know your name, and they don't know what you do. So you have to get that message across. The likelihood is you're not going to win business with them straight away, and you don't want to. You know what? You don't want to win business with them straight away. You know why? Because if they give you business straight away, it means they'll give business to everyone else straight away. And remember what I said? If something is easily accessible, it's less desirable. And the same way, if this client is easily accessible, they are less desirable, not only for you, but they're easily accessible for other companies. And if they're easily accessible for other companies, it means it's going to be harder for you to make money with this company. They will entertain a phone call with anyone. And so today, if you win business with them, tomorrow you'll lose business with them. You want your business to be solidified and you want your business to last a long time. That is not going to happen by dealing with businesses that unfortunately deal with anyone and everyone and don't really care in how they deal with a business.